Do you know that drugs play important role in poultry farming? The answer is yes, it plays important role in poultry farming. So in today's video, I will be showing you the drugs I'm using and their uses. So without further ado, let's go. These are my poultry drugs. They are the drugs I've been using for my poultry beds. So in today's video, I will be showing you the uses, or I'll be telling you the uses of these poultry drugs. This one is anidone tiarode. It's an antibacterial drugs used in treating bacteria-related disease in poultry bed, such as cough, infectious coryza, fowl typhoid, and so on. This one is tetrasin. It is a broad spectrum antibiotics. It is used in the treatment of bacterial disease and viral disease. You can use it to treat infectious coryza, cough, typhoid. You can use it to treat infectious coryza. You can use it to treat fowl typhoid. You can use it to treat viral disease. The next one is anidone mevadex. It is a dewormer. It's mostly used in broilers bed or layers bed. It is used in deworming your poultry bed. We have the thiloprane. It's an antibiotics. It can be used to treat cough, infectious coryza, fowl typhoid, and salmonellosis. The next one is Stylo Super. It can be used to treat bacterial disease. This one is CROD specific. The full meaning of CROD is chronic respiratory disease. So it is an effective antibiotic used in treating bacteria-related disease or infection. We have Ampro, Bovit Ampro. Bovit Ampro is an anti-coccidiosis drug. It is used in treating coccidiosis in your poultry bed. It can be used to treat coccidiosis, dysentery, watery diarrhea, etc. Cough Med is an antibiotics used in treating cough and other bacterial-related infection. Ampro is an anti-coccidiosis used in treating parasitic infections such as coccidiosis, watery diarrhea, etc. Admycin. Admycin is an antiviral and antibacterial medicine. Tylochem. Effective in the treatment of cough. It is a cough syrup. Ampro for coccidiosis. BS Calcium Plus. It is used in treating bone infection, bone disability in poultry beds. It makes your poultry bed to have strong bone, strong wings, and beak. Cold off antibiotics. Rapid vitamin. It is used as an anti-stress, a growth promoter, and it makes your bed to be healthy. We have Sulfur Max. It is used in the treatment of anti-coccidiosis. We have Bovit Fattener. It's a growth promoter, synthetic growth promoter in your poultry bed. Glucomycin solution powder. It is an antiviral drug used in the treatment of gumboro, Newcastle, fowl pox, marek, and so on. It's an antiviral drug. We have bacteria flash used in the treatment of bacteria and viral disease. Code of antibiotics. Bovine calcium supplement for bone infection. It is calcium drugs used in the treatment of bone-related infection in your poultry farm. It can be used to mix antiviral drugs. Beta-cos, anticoccidiosis. Ampromycin for treatment of coccidiosis.